Okay, so we got done with the HTML part. Obviously, I didn't finish the whole entire curriculum. You guys can do that, but to me, I want to focus on JavaScript. So this time, I think we're gonna go through everything on this. I'm definitely going to make a tutorial for the projects for this JavaScript module, curriculum, or certification, whatever you want to call it. And I'll definitely make a tutorial for them, but JavaScript is the language I want to really get good at. So let's do it. Learn basic JavaScript by building a role-playing game. We're going to do 1 to 20. Let's go. So this is what we'll be building, which is welcome to Dragon. Let's see how this goes. Step 1. Let's go. JavaScript is a powerful language which allows you to build websites that are interactive. To get started, create your standard HTML boilerplate with a doc type, HTML head body, then add a meta tag for the char set, add a title element, use the text RPG for that, include a link. Alright. Get started with this HTML. Then afterwards you need basically build out, basic, the basic structure of any website essentially. So head, body, add a meta tag, so that'll be the head, meta tag for the char sets, meta char set equal 8, I think. Is it not? I think there's more to it though. Or I think that's it. Hopefully. A title, which my title is up here. Title, and then it's RPG Dragon Pillar, and a link for the style sheet. So that would be link rel equal style sheet, and then is it href or source? I don't know. Style.css. I think it's source. I don't know. Either href or source. No, source. No, it's href. I don't know. I don't remember. And then create a div with ID game. Alright, let me go through that. So doc type, HTML tag, with a head tag, body tag, meta, have a title, include a link for the style sheet, and create a div. Alright, let's check. Alright, so your HTML element should have an opening tag. Oh, the long. Right. Long equal in. Right. Alright, check. Let's go. So it was href. Let's go. Alright, 1% complete. And this module, this one is long. It has 176 challenges. Alright, let's go. Create 4 div elements within your game element. Give them the following respective ID values in order: stats, control, monster. Alright. Create 4 div elements within your game element. So I guess div, and then I'm gonna highlight it. Shift, Alt, down key. There we go. And 4 elements within your game, give them the following respective ID values. Alright, so this one should be stats. Should just done it like this. Alt, ID equal, and then controls, monster, stats, text. Check. Beautiful. And then I don't really see anything down here still. Create 3 span elements within your stats element, give each, wait, how much? 3. So create 3 span elements within your stats element, give each of them the class stat. Okay. Then give the first one text XP 0, the second one the text, oh wait, the class stat. So, and then this one is XP 0. There you go, first piece of text. Then health, oops, 100, gold 50. That should be it. Nice. Step 4, wrap the numbers 0, 100, and 50 in span elements, and wrap those new span elements in strong elements. Then give your new span elements. Ooh. So wrap the numbers. Alright, so span like that. Span, and then wrap those span elements in strong elements. So like you mean that? You mean like this, like that? First thing, the strong element should have a span element. So what did it wrong? So it should be the other way around then. Right. I guess it should be the other way around. Let me see. No? Your first nested span element should have the ID of XP. Oh yeah. Right. Those new span elements in strong, giving you span elements ID values of XP. So let me just do this for all of them. ID equal and XP text health text, and then gold text. Let's go. Alright, on to step 5. For controls, create 3 button elements. Alright. Place 3. Oops. Button elements, the first one should have the ID of button 1, button 2, and wait, oh, the text, we'll do it that way. Button 3, and then first one should have go to store. This one should have go to cave. This one should have fight dragon. Oh wait, dragon and cave. Nice. Similar to your ID stats element, your monster stats element needs 2 span elements. Give them the class stat and give the first element the text monster name, and the second the text. Similar to your stats element, your monster stats element needs 2 span elements. Monster stats needs 2 span elements. Okay. Alright. Alright, two span elements, give them the class stat. Okay, and it, oops, wait, hold on, stat. Alright, give them the class stat and give the first element the text. Monster name, second one, health. With a space of this, after the text in each other strong element with an empty nested span element. After the text in each other strong element with an empty nested span element. Other strong elements with an empty nested spanner. Empty nested spanner. So this they mean like, oops, this they mean like this, and this mean this, and then this is after the text. Alright, wait, hold on. Back. So and then span. Give the first inner span element an ID of monster name. ID monster name, and the second one of monster health. So two. But we do have two span. What? Oh, this is strong. Wait, what? How come I accidentally press? There we go, that's why. Alright, because of time, I'm going to go up to 10. Just because of time. Step 7. Give your text element the following text. Copy, paste. Oops. Alright, hasta la vista. Let's go. Now we need some quick styling. Start by giving the body a background color search. Okay. So, body. Background color hashtag 0A0826 semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. There we go. Next, and 9, give the text element a background. Let's see, a background color of hashtag 0A0823 semicolon, and then color of basically white. I think if is just white. Yeah, and 10 pixel padding on all sides. So 10 pixels. Nice. Then step 10, and yo, we haven't even gotten into any JavaScript yet, you know. Like, we haven't gotten into any JavaScript, it's just HTML and CSS. Wow, no wonder this is so long. Alright, give your game a maximum width of 500 pixels. So game 100 pixels. Oops. Max width 100 pixels. Max height of 400 pixels. Set the background color to 123, and color to 123. Alright, use margins to center it by setting the top margin to 30. So margin top 30 pixels, and then margin bottom 0 pixels. and the left and right margins. So and then there you go. Doesn't look too bad. Code passes. Keep calm and code on. Alright, that's part one. Just because of time, I didn't just because of time, if it wasn't for time, I would have gone further. But yeah, part two next time.